A warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to make Wazwan style mutton rista at home. Though it's made by pounding meat, but I'll be showing you how to make it in food processor. Rista is an important dish in Kashmiri feast Wazwan. It's pounded meat into balls and slow cooked till tender. Its delicious gravy is loaded with spices and tastes superb. So let's get started. Making rista, I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt as per taste, and 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 black cardamom, 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 green cardamoms, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, a pinch of saffron soaked in warm water, and meat boneless I have taken around 800 grams, and 200 grams of fat, or you can take white unsalted butter, half a cup of cockscomb extract for color, and 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of black cardamom powder, 3 onions sliced, 1 cup of ghee, and 2 tablespoons of oil. In food processor, take boneless meat and run it to few pulses till it's grinded. Then take it out on a plate and take out all the granular lumps or veins, whatever you are able to find. We'll transfer it to the food processor, and these are the granular lumps and veins. And then I'll put salt, green cardamom powder, black cardamom powder. Grind to a few pulses and then add fat. Then keep grinding till it turns to a smooth fine paste. Here the mince is ready now. I'll shape them into balls. You can shape them the size you want and add them to warm water. Now here all the ristas are ready. So now I'll bring them to boil, and once it starts to boil, I will add spices: turmeric powder, fennel seed powder, ginger powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, salt, chili powder. Mix and let it boil on medium flame. Meanwhile, I'll keep onion paste ready for the gravy. In a pan, I heated up 2 tablespoons of oil, added ginger garlic paste, saute and then add whole spices. You can add whole spices directly to the gravy, but just sauteing them gives a good flavor. So I'm adding green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick, and then I'll be adding onions, and I'll keep them on medium to high flame till they turn brown. Here onions are fried properly. Now I'll turn off the flame and let them cool. Then I'll blend them to a paste. The ristas have been boiling. I'm going through slow cooking method, or else you can transfer them to a cooker and cook up to 2 to 3 whistles. So I have some mutton stock. I'll be transferring them to the mutton stock. Now I'll add fried onion paste, and then I'll be adding ghee, and then I'll add cockscomb extract and saffron and black pepper powder, and keep them on medium flame till they are tender. Now after around 45 minutes on low flame, here the ristas are ready. This scrumptious meat dish is a delight to taste buds. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.